Welcome to our Weblab project. So we basically made a travel photo book social media app where you can create your own chapters and have posts within them for each trip that you have. So here, as you can see, this is my Beijing chapter. There are like comment features. For example, I can comment on my own post too and press add, and that's sent to MongoDB database. I can attach photos, any photo basically that we store in the Google Cloud using an image ID. So on the side, you can create a new chapter for your destination, like Shanghai, have a little short blurb describing the highlight of the trip or what it's about. And then you can attach pictures and create the post. So here I'm going to attach one of the buildings I saw, and if I want to change my mind, I could click on it again and attach another picture. So here you can enter the location, the exact location, like if it's aquarium or a restaurant. You can say something about the post. For example, here I said something about the aquarium. You can choose the background color and also one of these 5 stamps. And then when you press add, the post gets added. It takes a little bit, but you can, there's the like feature. Friends can like it. You can like your own picture. And you can also comment on your own post if you wanted. We did the backend in Node.js, including the API calls and the user, page, and chapter schemas. And we store all of our data in the MongoDB database. So on the profile tab, you have your bio. You can edit it by clicking on it and then pressing the update button when you're done. Same thing for top places to visit. You can click on those and update which top cities, or you can make it funny, a joke maybe to show off your personality. In this case, I put Tokyo, London, Paris. This is also sent to our database using API calls in Node.js. Here you can find stories of friends or basically users. Click on that and that takes you to their chapter page. So you can see their chapters. And when you click on map, it takes you to a map of all the recent chapters of all users. So here, this is one of my friend Ellen's who posted. You can hover over the dot and have a preview of the latest story in the chapter. And when you click on the dot, it zooms in. When you click on the dot, it zooms in, and you have an option to go to the profile or the chapter of that story. And as you can see here, I went to the chapter, and I can see all of Ellen's pictures and posts. So now I can just comment on one of it and go to her profile using the profile button, and that displays the recent stories using a slideshow, and I can see her bio and places to visit. And then we have a loading screen with animated CSS. I can hover and go to another profile if I wanted. This one's another story by Ellen. This is one by my friend, another friend. And here I go to her chapter and I can like her post. I can again comment, and we used we use the list of comment IDs for the page schema. So each page is associated with a set of comment IDs, and that's how we retrieve comments. Same thing with the photo ID. We basically have an image ID for each one of these posts, and that is how we retrieve it from the Google Cloud. As you can see, I can go to our profile, which is stored in user schema, which also has the image ID storing the profile picture, along with the bio and top places to visit. Finally, I can return to my own story, and it's basically using GET request to get all this data. And when I log out, you can see the animated home page.